Na mkuu wa sheria wa Kenya Professor Githu Muigai amepinga usemi wa kiongozi wa mashtaka ya jinai ya kimataifa ICC Fatou Bensouda kwamba kusambaratika kwa kesi dhidi ya naibu wa rais William Ruto na mwanahabari Joshua Arap Sang kulitokana na Kenya kukosa kushirikiana na mahakama hiyo. Muigai amesema hamna taifa lolote barani Afrika ambalo limeisaidia mahakama hiyo kushinda Kenya, ikiwemo kutumika kwa uwanja wa Jomo Kenyatta kuwasafirisha washukiwa wengine kutoka mataifa jirani hadi The Hague.
We in Kenya have granted the International Criminal Court unlimited, unprecedented access for their personnel to be stationed in Kenya, to carry out their investigations in all the hotspots that they claimed had evidence that they required. That remains the truth, including as at this morning. As we speak today, the liaison office of the International Criminal Court is open. Their officers are functioning. They are doing everything that it is, in their opinion, useful for their work. And therefore, we feel that the continued allegation that Kenya as a state party has failed to cooperate with this tribunal is in a very large measure contemptuous of the sovereignty of a state party. As late as 2 weeks ago, in the case that has now been dropped, we were still submitting to the court documents. I don't consider that non-cooperation.